What's your name?
Forte?
Where are you from?
Forte?
Oh. Okay, look. I'm flattered. I'd love for your piece to be on me.
Forte?
Don't thank me. Thank Penicillin.
Forte?
Who the hell are you?
If you want to work here, in this restaurant, I really think that you need to ask yourself one simple question. How do you feel about frontal male nudity?
What the hell is wrong with you?
Seriously, though, I swear to God, I'm really uncomfortable now. It's time you should go.
Nope.
You think I want to have kids? Absolutely not. That's why I stick to anal sex.
What the hell is wrong with you? I don't have time for idiots.
Know my name, sir?
No.
You're about to find out who I am.
You're kidding, right?
You don't need to know my name?
You know what I like to do to her? Something I call a dirty fuzzy.